How to install WordPress on InfinityFree. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily uh, install the WordPress on your InfinityFree account. So this is a free hosting website hosting. So what you can do here is on your free version of the account, you can have up to 3 active accounts. So go ahead and click on create account, considering that you have your accounts remaining. Now click on the Create Now button to go with a free plan, or if you want a starter premium, you can go ahead and click on it as well. I'm just going to click on Create Now. Now it will just take you to the page where you have to verify that you're a human, complete the quick CAPTCHA, and once that's done, you're going to have to choose a subdomain name for your website. So just enter the subdomain name that is available, check availability of it. You could also choose the domain extension. Click on check availability, and if this is available, you could choose your account username that's going to be generated automatically and choose the account password. So I'm not going to leave this here. I'm going to enter my own password. Once you have entered your passwords, choose your email consent, make sure I approve. And once that's done, click on create account. So the password must only contain letters and numbers. So let me just quickly fix that. Okay, once you have created your password, just hit enter, and now it will start creating the account. Here, this will be your username for your free version, and it will take a few minutes for your account to be set up, and it can take up to 24 hours for the new domain to be visible everywhere. So once that is done, just be patient and wait for your account to be created. Once your account has been created, just scroll down until you find this control panel option. Click on it and it will take you to a new tab. Once your control panel is open, go ahead and click on I approve. And now your control panel will start loading. So first thing you'll see is a build a website with Site Pro. So you can edit your website from here. You can search for a domain name to check if it's available. Now all you have to do is scroll all the way down here and find the software tab. Now click on this software killers app installer, and it will again open up a new tab for you. That will take you to a kind of store where you're able to find WordPress right at first. So this is a state-of-the-art publishing platform with a focus on aesthetics, web standards, and usability. So just go ahead and click on this install button, click on quick install, and now it will start installing the WordPress on your InfinityFree account. So scroll down and click on install, and it will start automatically installing, and you're good to go. So first thing you're going to have to do is fill out your admin username as well as your admin password. And once you have entered your admin username and password, just scroll down and click on install, and you should be able to install the WordPress on your account. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.